Bitcoin SV is a low-ranking coin with the ticker BSV that is worth $35.97 right now and has a market value of $692,950,205, which is a very important number. In a real sense, digital currencies are no longer just a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and unknown sellers. They are now a resource class that is carefully managed and, surprisingly, treated as legally sensitive in a big way. Some big venture banks have even bought Bitcoin SV and other digital currencies as a group to protect their resources under the administration against the running growth that hurts the traditional financial business sectors, which is very important. Now is a good time to talk about our short dash, mid dash, and long-term expectations for the BSV market, which rest on the readings of our. This is a great crypto uncertainty file that helps us gauge how the market feels and get a general idea of where the market is going. Up until now, the price of Bitcoin SV is 35.97, and the coin is currently ranked 56th overall. The set's real position is based on the resource's real-time value, which is the same as its real-time market capitalization. An equation that is used in all financial markets in a big way. Our management keeps an eye on any changes in these three areas so that our clients always have the most up-to-date information about how digital assets are used in their portfolios. It's also important to really think about the facts that can be used to make a good decision. At the end of trading on August 9th, the price of Bitcoin SV was 38.29, with a price difference of 1.84. 7 days ago, on August 10th, BSV was worth $35.04, so the price hasn't changed at all since then. A month ago, on August 11th, a market member put the price of Bitcoin SV at $49.94. So the coin has moved 23.38 to get to where it is now. The study of market capitalization is just as important in digital money markets as it is in traditional business markets. In fact, the same numerical method is used to figure out the overall position and popularity of digital currencies and stocks. For example, changes in market capitalization, whether they are positive or negative, are a sign of how the said market is moving. In a way that goes against what most people think, to figure out the current market capitalization of BSV, we increased the stock flowing boundary, which will make more sense later based on the current value of the digital currency under study. As of today, the market capitalization of Bitcoin SV remains at 692.950 Win 205. Which is why its current position is important. BSV had a market capitalization of $700,137,673,167 on August 9th. The previous week, on August 10th, the coin in question had a market capitalization of $675,09116. And a month earlier, on August 11th, Bitcoin SV was valued at $904,396, 223. Total inventory takes into account the number of coins that have already been made, such as through mining, which is very important to Vera. These digital currencies can be used for real-time trading or stored in backers' wallets or with overseers. This metric also takes into account the number of coins that have been lost through a cycle called consuming, which is used to control the rate of growth in Vera. Check out the coins that are very current and still in the top positions. This shows the total amount of BSV that is being traded across all exchanges, except for the coins that are locked, frozen, or temporarily taken out of circulation for unknown reasons. It is generally agreed that digital currencies with a circulating supply between 60 million and 150 million are the best. Bitcoin SV usually has a current supply of 192,166,077 coins. It also has a very high trading volume, which shows that a lot of money is flowing into that market. This shows how valuable digital currencies are and makes sure that trades go smoothly. For the most part, keep in mind that information about the constant trading volume isn't that useful for making long-term price predictions. However, it does give important information about the current market situation, so it's important for short and medium-term price estimates. A smart digital currency investor shouldn't ignore this metric when choosing a section or coin to invest in. Here, the rule is to get into the activity when the volume clearly starts to rise and the cost is pushing out of the combination area. Leave the activity when the volume starts to drop after a big meeting. Amazingly, it's better if price changes happen in areas with high volume, which is usually shown by tall bars on the very comparing marker that is built into all crypto trading terminals. This is a very big deal, so let's look at the trading volume on the Bitcoin SV market during the following time periods. Over the course of 24 hours, the amount of BSV that was traded between market members reached 46,466,793, which is a pretty big number. On August 9, the average weighted trading volume recorded at the end of the trading period was 44,082061. 7 days earlier, on August 10, the amount of BSV that was traded between market members was estimated to be 31,178,877, which goes against what most people think. Bitcoin price prediction as bears pull BTC down to $29,000 level. Where is BTC going next? Recently, Bitcoin has stayed above $29,000, which could be a good sign, but it hasn't hit $30,000 yet. It has been trading between $28,900 and $29,280, which shows how unsure the market is. Notably, people who own a lot of Bitcoin are selling less, which could mean they think its value will go up in the future. The recent rise in Bitcoin's value may be related to PayPal's release of PayPal USD, PYUSD, a new digital currency. This global payment company has joined the world of cryptocurrencies by making PYUSD, which is built on Ethereum technology and made to keep its value stable. This is a big deal because it's the first time that a major bank has made its own stable digital currency. This change could change how people think about cryptocurrencies, which could help Bitcoin's value go up. Changes to Bitcoin ETFs, what they mean for the price of Bitcoin and investor interest. The CEO of ARK Invest, Cathie Wood, thinks that the SEC might take longer than expected to accept their Bitcoin ETF. Wood says that the SEC could possibly accept multiple Bitcoin ETFs at the same time. This would help to balance the demand, which is worth about $50 billion right now. BlackRock and Fidelity, two other big investment firms, are also thinking about putting out Bitcoin ETFs. Wood thinks that these companies will compete with each other based on how they market themselves. Grayscale,